This is my powder detergent that I make 3 days ago. The thing has been incorporated now. Thank you, my madam in charge. This is my water. I want to test it. Got the little one. I want to put very little to wash my hand. Oh, yo. This detergent is very foamy. More. Just a little. Thing is foamy. Okay. Thing is very foamy. Okay. This is it too. Thank you for my mother. Just a little. Okay. Let me put this socks that is very dirty. This socks that is very dirty. Let me use it to wash it. Let's see. I'm the one holding my phone, that's why. Oh, this thing is foaming very well. Yeah. Look at it too. The socks is very dirty. See. Hello. It's very dirty. Allah, see they clean. They come out well. I make it 3 days ago. This socks is very dirty. Let me bring the second leg. Wash. Cut it. It is foaming very well. Thank you to my madam. I'm doing well. See my clean. Berry, this one can carry me more than 3 to 4 months, even a year itself, because I'm using it to wash. I'm not going to sell it. See how dirty the socks is. But look at it, it's still foamy. Just a little. No more. I don't make them. No more buying clean. Oh. Thank you. Thank you to my madam. Oh. See the clean. Plenty.